This is a ground source heat pump installation we're doing with a preformed manifold chamber and fusion welded ground loops. The chamber's in position, these joints have already been done, and everything comes together inside the chamber and enables us then to run the pipe work further on to the plant room and the heat pump. Prior to fusion welding the joints, we prepare the pipe work first with a special tool that removes the outside layer of the pipe, which contains oils and contaminants that can weaken the joint. To complete a fusion weld joint, we have a specific piece of equipment that reads the temperature and specification of the fitting and then puts a current through it to melt the fitting onto the pipe. The machine checks that the ends have been prepared, as we did just now. It then puts a current through the fitting and will weld it together as a permanent, lasting joint.